Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can change or edit your Google account name. Well, to change your Google account name, go to your account under Google Apps. Since I'm using Firefox, I'm going to my account using my Gmail. You sure can use Google browser and go to your account by clicking on Google Apps here. It will take you to the same place. Here, go to Personal Info and click on your name. Then click on your name again. And before making any changes, click on Learn More. And here you can see it's saying that you can change your name as many times as you want. So change or edit your name and then click on Save to save changes. Since I don't want to, I'm not saving any changes, but you sure can. And this is how you can change or edit your Google account name. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.